Welcome back to another Mobile Centrics Tips and Tricks. My name is Derek, and today I'm going to be going over a couple tools that you should definitely have. The first tool would be this little box. This is the iPower Pro Max. Inside it comes with this iBoot cable that connects up to a power supply with these red and black connectors. And then my favorite part is the connectors that come with it. As you can see right here, we've got a ton of different connectors for the iPhones. This bundle right here covers basically all of the iPhone 12, 13, and 14 models, and it all comes down to this one Type-C connector. We've got this one that's specifically for the iPhone 8, 10, 10s, 10s Max, and then this last one that has a regular USB, which is for the 6, 6 Plus, 7, 6S Plus, all of those models before the 8. These three plug into this. So you can have all connected at one time. That way you can provide power to any iPhone from the 6 all the way up to the 14 series to be able to troubleshoot, diagnose, and fix motherboard issues. The second one is going to be this pair of tweezers. As you can see, it does have a really fine tip, but my favorite part is how flat the bottom is, allowing the reballing of IC chips to be a smoother process. Stencils tend to warp under temperature, so to have something to compress the stencil against the chip and reball the ICs with that even distribution of pressure across it, this pair of tweezers is so much nicer than trying to get the same effect with a standard pair of tweezers. And last but not least is this Overcoat Pen, which is solder mask that you can basically draw with. It makes it so much easier to protect jumpers and other components that you've fixed or pads that you've had to repair. And one of the things that I find handy to have this along with like a UV mask, for example. This mask dries not with UV light but with the air, and it will also dry quicker under heat, which means I can repair things quicker. It also means that when this makes its way under a component that would be shadowed by a UV light, where the UV light couldn't penetrate to that because it's now under something, I no longer have to worry about this because this will cure and harden in those tight, hard to reach spaces that the UV light couldn't make it to. So those are three tools that I recommend you have for your day-to-day repairs. If there's a specific tool that you'd like to see more of, let me know in the comments below. Thanks a ton for watching. We'll see you in the next video.